Update today on how Greenville is doing in the midst of the pandemic. Officials from several different agencies were joined there for the weekly briefing, I should say. Carrie Weimer was there at the meeting. So Carrie, what's the big takeaways from today's meeting?
A lot of good information was discussed today from a lot of the different leaders around Greenville. You know, we've heard talks of a potential surge coming up in cases, so they really want to discuss today how Greenville is preparing for those. Officials from Greenville held their weekly meeting today to give an update on where things stand. The Director of Emergency Management says DHEC now reports a total of 254 positive COVID cases in Greenville County alone. Dr. Blackstone from Bon Secure's St. Francis Health System says that while they continue to have a significant amount of COVID patients, those numbers aren't climbing daily like they had been. He says that even though there are COVID care areas in the hospital, the rest of the hospital is still dedicated to non-COVID.
What we don't want is people to stay home and not access care with things like chest pain or potential stroke symptoms, or people who are sick and continue to get sick but they're scared to come to our hospitals. I just want to assure everybody, and all of our hospitals are doing this, that we have safe places for care.
Dr. Blackstone said the hospital system has gone to universal masking, where employers' temperatures are checked when they come in the door. He says they are looking ahead to a potential surge in cases, plans in place. He wants to remind people going out in public they should use masks and gloves since the virus is droplet spread. Now, Mayor Knox White also reiterated today that even though some numbers in some areas may seem to drop, this is no time to let up on being vigilant about staying at home, practicing social distancing, and making sure that you and your loved ones are safe during this time. He says Greenville will rebound from this. This is a place where people connect, and it will be that way once again. Reporting in Greenville, I'm Carrie Weimer, Fox Carolina, the 5 o'clock news.
All right, Carrie, thanks so much. Well, in case you're just tuning in, there will be no media briefing from